This photo shows a very busy church street with lots of children gathering to watch the photographer take the photo. However, if you look closely, you can see that they are actually standing on a railway line which runs right across the street and is protected by a gate on each end. These trains would have carried limestone from the Trevel quarry to the Tredegar ironworks for the production of iron products. If you look very carefully, this photo also shows other types of industry. The 3 brass balls hanging from the tall building on the right tells us that the shop was a pawnbroker's where people could borrow money in exchange for a valuable item until they could pay the money back. Also in the very back of the picture you can see the arches of the Sahawi ironworks, which would have also made large amounts of iron to be sold around the world. Today, the scene is almost unrecognisable. A large portion of the street on the right-hand side, including the pawnbrokers, have been demolished and has been replaced with blocks of flats. The railway line has also disappeared and an extension to the original house now takes its place. Only a few houses on the left-hand side remain, and the ruins of the Sahawi ironworks can be seen in the distance in winter time when the leaves have fallen off the trees.